Welcome to AeireinTech. Today we will set up sleep tracking on Apple Watch. First, we need to set up sleep tracking on your iPhone. On your iPhone, launch the Health app. Tap on Browser in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and find the sleep option. Then tap on it. Tap on Get Started and continue. Set your desired bedtime and wake up time. You can set different schedules for weekdays and weekends. Hit next and done. Make sure sleep mode is turned on. This will help reduce distraction by enabling do not disturb during your sleep hours. Now that your iPhone is ready, let's set up sleep tracking on your Apple Watch. On your Apple Watch, find and open the sleep app. Your watch will sync with the sleep schedule you set up on your iPhone. Make sure the toggle for track sleep with Apple Watch is enabled. Once you have slept with your Apple Watch, here is how you can view and interrupt your sleep data. I don't have data because I am recording the same day. Open the Health app, tap on sleep, and scroll down to see detailed metrics like time in bed, sleep stages, and even your heart rate during sleep. Open the sleep app to see a summary of your sleep, including total hours slept and your sleep consistency. To get the most out of your sleep tracking, here are a few tips. Activate wind down mode before bed to help relax and prepare for sleep. Set realistic sleep goals in the Health app to keep yourself on track. Regularly review your sleep trend in the Health app to see how small changes impact your sleep quality. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.